Ah.
Have your pencil for our break. Let me take your pencil for our break.
What, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Mr. Levitt.
Oh, you're a little bit more awake today.
Yes.
Real quick, you know the rules, we go over them every day. You raise your hands, right? And be respectful, which if someone's talking, don't talk over them. And if you're finished with your work, look around. If a buddy needs help a buddy. Don't just bury yourself in the work. You remember this, what we did yesterday?
Yes.
What is that? Somebody raise your hand. What is it? What is it, Jen? Well, what's the name of it? Washington Monument. How tall did you say it was?
525.
You were close.
555.
555, Deborah, but you had the answer and that was the right answer.
525.
All right, so when we make that guess, the guess is called a estimate. All right, so we're gonna do today. We'll estimate the height of something else, and then we're gonna do quick four corners. You're gonna need your notebooks for that, and you're gonna just draw 4 squares on your notebook, and you're gonna do the best you can. If you finish, come see me. We'll check them, and I have something extra for you to do, and that should last before you go to outside. All right, so right here, somebody read for me. Well,
Estimate the height of the redwood tree and tree.
where do redwood trees grow? Do you know? Who can guess what state they grow in?
Alaska.
No, you got the right. It's in the west. One more.
In the jungle. It's the jungle. Washington. No, not this
And-
one.
Go ahead. One more.
See?
No, state.
In China, Annapolis.
Go ahead.
Ohio.
California.
Yes.
They're in California.
California.
California. All right.
I'm not being.
So we remember, Deborah, what did we say the height of our Washington Monument? And but our estimate was what, Michael? 525 feet. All right.
Excuse me 1 second. Jonathan, you said you're not getting this. What are you not getting?
Oh, I'm sorry.
The estimation, you know of this, you know of these problems, you know that Mr. Webber is showing us.
But we know how to estimate, yes?
Yes, but I don't know how to estimate like this.
Okay, what's the difference? What are we doing when we were estimating this number? We just made a what?
Yes.
That's what estimation is, okay? Okay?
So we're just making a guess of the height, because you're going to need to kind of understand that in life too. Like you're going to make guesses or estimates of how far things are. We talked about that, right? All right. So if we know the Washington Monument is 555 feet, this little dot right here is a person, and this is the tallest, one of the tallest trees in the world, if not the tallest. There's a bunch of them, and they're called redwoods. All right, hang on to it. So real quick, on your notebooks, or do some mental math. How tall do you think the redwood tree is? Hang on, we'll call some. Give me a second. What's up, Dave?
I know what the height is, but I forgot.
For the redwood? All right, Deborah, get it.
121.
Deborah says 121.
I have a question.
Yes.
About having, the redwood about the size of the Washington Monument.
So this it got it kind of close. So it is, but it's not quite. So if you know this is 555 feet, and this is a person right here, 5 feet, it's a short person, 5 foot tall, for an adult. This is about the actual size of a redwood compared to the Washington Monument. Jenny?
1,520.
520? So let's look at that.
Actually, 200.
So if this is 555, right?
Is it 1,072?
472? Brenda? 351? Getting closer, I think. Fraley?
No. 360.
335. Fraley. I'm asking Fraley, but just quiet. 340. David? 400? 360. Michael?
375.
375. Last one.
365, I guess.
360 feet is the average height of a redwood. You see these
Yes,
kids
so
are,
close to me.
I said three. So close.
so that's your estimate, but that was good. I think we had a lot of 300s, between 300 and 400. So those are good estimates, okay? Those are good estimates. Guys, bring that back. All right. We're going to do a real quick exercise over here, too. It's pretty simple. All right, so here's our number line, okay? Dave, where would I put my halfway mark on that number line? Where's 0.5? In the middle. Does everybody agree?
Yeah.
Can I move it? No, I don't think I can move it, can I? I was gonna try. All right. Well, we know that goes there. Let's see, Rachel. Where would I put my point 0.1? Where would that go on that line? Close to 0. So here? 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 About right there? It's good. That's good. Yes, that's our estimate. This is about right there. It's about 0.1, 0.1. And we got one more 0.7. Good, awesome.
Close where the one high,
Close to here? That's our halfway mark. What's that?
the one high.
A 1 0. So I'm closer to 1?
No,
Closer to 1?
it's close to 5 and 10.
Well, we talked about 7 yesterday, so it could kind of be in the middle of either way, so we'll give it to you. So if it could be close to 1, but it's kind of in between 5 and 1. So you remember that from yesterday. That's good. All right. So I'm gonna put these around the room real quick. And yes, Jonathan.
I need to go to the bathroom real quick.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're good. So what you're going to do is you're going to need your notebooks and draw a square. You're going to answer with just one blank page. Make it a blank page, guys.
Whose notebook is that on the floor? Hold it up. Allison's already drawn his square, so those of you that have not yet, hold up all the way.
Does everybody see Allison's
So
notebook?
you can see that way it gives you a good space for all of your problems.
All right, has everybody got that? Everybody looked up Allison's? Everybody got one page? There you go, Fraley. Thank you.
My windows.
That works. That's your window.
When you got them.
Yep, we got it.
Me.
All right. So you give me 2 seconds. I will distribute these around the room, walk around. You're going to estimate, like we've been talking about for a couple weeks, and then solve. And then we'll come back in a few minutes. If you are done with everything, come see me, let me know, and we'll give you something to do. All right. Oh, thanks. I'm sorry. All right. All right, so when you're walking around the room, try not to bunch up.
Just like for our morning procedures, if we notice that there are a lot of people at one paper, what do you think we should do? Go to another one, okay? If there's so many people there that you can't see the problem, go to another one. There are 22 of us, so that means we should never have more than 4 or 5 people at a picture, at a problem.
Remember, we're going to estimate first and then solve it. It should go fairly quickly. And I got one bonus I'll just set up here. All right, guys. So, everybody know what they're doing?
Do we see where the problems are? Let's just make sure
Everybody see
we know
where
where
they
they
are?
are.
We got
One
one
here.
here, right? One on the door. One over by Elio. Right here on the.
Yeah.
Over here, and then one here. And then I'll set this one. I'm just going to set it on the bench, or the stool, I should say. Up here. Okay? All right, guys. So we got. How many songs do we give them?
Probably give them about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, 10 or 15 minutes. If you finish early, come see me. I have something for you to do. Yeah, there's the bonus. You guys have the bonus at the bottom. No, not that kind of
Find
bone,
your-
just an extra problem.
Find your problem and do your work. Nikki, you're good right there, man.
You don't have to raise one?
Nikki, would you turn one of the lights on? Thank you, sir.
Good job focusing, guys, and getting right to work.
I love how hard you all are working, moving around the room, being very, very responsible.
You're doing a great job.
This might be enough to earn a letter. I'm very impressed. Keep it up, guys.
I don't know, I guess there's a little bit more than before. Okay. Yep. We done? All right, go take a seat. Here. You can see what you can figure out with that, and what you can't figure out, that's okay?
Katie, can I see?
Are you right there with you? No, there it is. If you're done, you can let me come check, and I have something for you. Look at all these scholars. So focused. Got it? Good. So if your estimate is 14. Okay. Check that one again. Yep. Can you put that one for real? 6.6. If I tell you guys. That's what you got. So do what you can on this, some of it's maybe not familiar, but that's okay. I don't know, you're gonna have to just wait on that one. What is your estimate on that? Good? Well, if we're at 1.5, if we're at 5 or above, it'd be what, 2 maybe? Yeah. But that's okay, but I think let's see what you got here. Yep, yes, the answer's right. Hang on one second. Oh, you. I may actually send you, to run some off. All right, let's see. Everything else looks good. Should I send her to go run some more off, or?
Was that the last one?
Yeah,
No.
okay. All right,
Think
hang
about
tight.
the nearest whole number.
All right. Let's see what you got. All right, Michael, look at this here. All right, first of all, where is your estimate there? Where's your estimate?
I don't know.